Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy and today we are back with another advent calendar unboxing. We have the 24 Days of Revolve Beauty advent calendar here. Before we start, can I ask that if you're new here to please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell because that's the only way to get notified of all upcoming advent calendar unboxings, and there are still so many to come. Today we will be unboxing the 24 Days of Revolve Beauty Advent Calendar. Now this calendar is worth 900 Australian dollars and is retailing for 265 Australian dollars. I'm sure at some point you've shopped at Revolve before. I've never shopped from their beauty range, but I am excited to see what's in this one. If you want to get this calendar too, I'll leave a link below on where you can get it. So the packaging is super cute. It looks like a little cute pink briefcase and it just unsnaps right here and opens up. And every day is in little individual boxes. I'm not sure why it's upside down. I guess they're expecting us to open it on the table flat. Okay, let's check out the first one. Starting with number one, we have the Amika Soulfood Nourishing Mask. This is a mini and it's 20 mils. It's a super nourishing hair mask, super rich with vitamins. So if you love your hair mask, this one's for you. It is also vegan and cruelty free. Let's see what's in box number two. Box number two, we have the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Hydrating Eye Gel. This one is a mini. It is 3 mils, but the full size is 15 mils. I always love Peter Thomas Roth products, so I'm sure this one is going to be amazing. I just wish it was in the full size. This one is packed with hyaluronic acid, AHAs, antioxidants, and vitamins, so all sounding really amazing. On to number three. Our third product is the OSEA Undaria Algae Body Butter. Now this is our first full-size product. It's 49 grams and it contains seaweed, shea butter, ceramides, and is supposed to hydrate for 72 hours. So it does smell quite nice too. It's got a very light citrusy smell. This normally retails for 35 Australian dollars at Nordstrom. And we have box number four. Box number four is the KOSAS Weightless Lip Color Lipstick in Rosewater. This is another mini. It's very rosy pink and it came broken, so not really impressed. And on to the fifth product. Number five is the R+Co High Dive Moisture Shine Cream. Another mini, obviously. This one is 15 mils. I'm starting to think that this whole box is going to be minis. Let's hope not. So this is another hair product. It helps to soften and drowns out frizz. On to number six. Number six, we have the Dr. Barbara Sturm Lip Balm. Now this is a mini, it's 3 grams, but the full size is 12 grams. So we have about a quarter. It's a super premium brand, so I'm not really complaining. I know they can't include the full size in here. I haven't tried this one. It has vitamin E and I look forward to trying it. Let's check out number seven. Number seven is the Kopari Coconut Crush Scrub. Now this is a mini, 30 mils. I love everything coconut scented and this is a coconut body scrub. The smell is not too overwhelming with coconut, so it is quite light. I kind of expected it as a body item to be bigger so you can really try it out. This is a clean beauty product though and generally has very positive reviews. On to number eight. Number eight is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Setting Spray in Pineapple. Whoa, this smells incredible. If you've ever wanted to smell like a tropical drink after applying your makeup, this is the setting spray for you. It smells like a yummy pina colada. This is full size, retailing at 24 Australian dollars at Mecca, and I'm super happy with this one. Okay, on to day 9. We are back to the minis with Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. Now, I love Charlotte Tilbury, but this is mega tiny. I got a mini of this in like day 2 of the Charlotte Tilbury Advent Calendar, and that one was 8 mils, which was tiny, but this is 3.6 mils. Like, is this a joke? Let's check out number 10. Number 10 is the Oribe Mystify Restyling Spray. This is another mini, it's 20 mils. It is a hairstyle spray that's supposed to reactivate the products from your styling the day before. And also leaves your hair nourished, strengthened, and shields against thermal damage. On to number 11. The 11th product is the Sunday Riley Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. Now this one needs no introduction. I love this one ever since I've introduced this into my skincare routine. It has never left and I've had a few empty bottles of these already, which rarely happens to me unless I super love something, and this is one of them. So this is 8 mils, obviously another mini, but I am thrilled this is in the box because it is one of my favorite products. And we are at the halfway mark with box number 12. The 12th product is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter Brow Gel. We finally have another full-size product. This is 3.5 mils and retails at Sephora for 24 Australian dollars. I've been traditionally using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze, but I am open to trying this one. It's got amazing reviews and is meant to hold for 24 hours, hence the name. Number 13. Box 13 is the Tan Luxe The Gradual Illuminating Gradual Tan Lotion. This is 100 mils, but the full size is 250 mils, making this another mini, even though it is quite nicely sized. I love that it's a gradual tan and it's been incorporated into a lotion. And summer is coming up in Sydney, so I can't wait to try this. On to day 14. Number 14 is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. It's another mini. We're not really surprised. Try before you buy, right? This can probably cover about one mask. I will say though that this is vegan and fragrance free because I know some people like their skincare without fragrance. It contains niacinamide, glycerin, and hyaluronic acid. We are up to box number 15. Number 15 is the Olaplex number 3 Hair Perfector. I love Olaplex, especially their number 7 bonding oil. It smells amazing. So this is a mini 30 mils, but I'm not complaining because I really love Olaplex. This is the one that you use at home. It's like a wonderful mini treatment for your hair. And we are up to number 16. Number 16 is the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara, and this is our 4th full-size product from this box. It retails at Mecca for 20 Australian dollars. As mentioned in previous videos, I don't really need to use mascara at the moment because I have extensions in. Just kind of disappointed that the full-size product is something that I won't be able to use. On to number 17. So number 17 is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen, and this one is SPF 40. So as I unboxed this in the Cult Beauty Advent Calendar, that one was SPF 30, so it was super weird. I don't know if there's been like an update to this product, but there are 2 different ones going around. Either way, this is a very raved on about product and I am happy to be getting the SPF 40 version. On to day 18. 18 is the MEJ Big Effing Clip. This is obviously counted as another full-size item. It is a claw clip. Everyone might get a different pattern in their box. I got a pink one, it's cute. I usually do use claw clips like this, so no complaints here. On to box 19. Okay, we have another mini. It's the Verb Ghost Oil. This one is 17 mils. This is a restorative hair oil and is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. On to box 20. So number 20 is a mini candle. It is the Boy Smells Hinoki Phantom Scented Candle. So I usually love all things candle, but this one is very strong. It smells very, very woody, very earthy, and very, very strong. I usually love light, airy, floral, sweet, like caramelly and fruity scents. Interestingly, this says it has cardamom in it, and one of my favorite candles is actually the Otherland Cardamom Milk Candle. It honestly is the best fall candle ever. But yeah, this one is way too woody for me, but if you're into that kind of scent, this one might be for you. Day number 21. Number 21 is the Augustina Spada, the Rich Cream. This is a super premium product. It's full size. We finally have another full size item. This is 15 mils. We've gotten this exact item in previous advent calendar boxes and we love it. And it's retailing for 150 Australian dollars at Revolve. Box number 22. 22 is the Lash Food Eyelash Enhancer. Now this one is 2 mils and the full size is 3 mils. So this is still a mini, but I've heard so many positive reviews on this one and I am very keen to try. This is actually a bestseller and it's meant to make a huge difference with your lashes. On to number 23. Number 23 is the Revolve Beauty Gua Sha. Now this is going to be counted as a full-size item, but at this point it does feel a little bit like a filler item, just like many of the minis do feel like a filler items too. This is the traditional pink one. It's still cute, but I could do without it. Last but not least, we have box number 24. The last item is the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. Hallelujah, this is full size. It's 20 mils and guys, I was really about to lose hope with this box, but the last one is a winner. This is a super premium brand and this retails at Mecca for like 178 Australian dollars. It's meant to give a very dewy after effect, and it's a yes from me. Okay, so this is the 24 Days of Revolve Beauty Advent Calendar. What did you think of this year's box? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so I genuinely was really disappointed with this whole Advent Calendar box. I mean, it was nowhere near the value of what they say is 900 Australian dollars. And it was full of minis and filler items. There was only 8 full-size items, of which 2 of them was a gua sha and a hair clip. So I'm not really impressed. I also felt like some of the minis were from brands that weren't really premium. Like their full size would be worth anywhere from 20 to 50 Australian dollars, but we were still opening up minis. In saying that, I still really loved the products from Dr. Barbara Sturm, Sunday Riley, Anastasia Beverly Hills, Olaplex, Lash Food, Augustinus Beta, and 111 Skin. So there were still really some good products in there. So if this is the calendar for you, I'll leave a link below on where to get it. These do sell out quite quickly. I was actually on the second round of their pre-orders, so they do sell out, but I think they are available right now. So get in quick if you want this one. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!